Email is one of the most important tools for any professional, but managing email well can save time, reduce stress, and improve productivity. Here are some easy steps to manage your email like a CEO. Step 1. Set specific times to check email. Checking your email constantly wastes time and focus. Instead, decide specific times in the day to check and respond to emails. For example, check emails once in the morning, once after lunch, and once before the end of the workday. Step 2. Use filters and folders. Organize your inbox by creating filters and folders. Filters automatically sort incoming emails into different folders. For example, create folders for important clients, newsletters, and internal messages. This way, your inbox stays clean and you can focus on what matters most first. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. If an email can be answered in less than 2 minutes, reply to it right away. This keeps small tasks from piling up and saves you time later. Step 4. Write clear and short emails. Be clear and to the point when writing emails. Use simple language and short sentences. This saves time for both you and the reader. Start with the purpose of the email, then provide necessary details and end with the action needed. Step 5. Use templates for common emails. Create templates for emails you send often. For example, responses to common questions or meeting requests. This saves you time because you don't have to write the same message again and again. Step 6. Unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters. Many newsletters clutter your inbox and distract you. Take time to unsubscribe from those that are not useful. This will reduce the number of incoming emails and help you focus on important messages. Step 7. Use the archive and delete buttons wisely. Archive emails that you may need later, but do not require action now. Delete emails that are no longer useful. Keeping your inbox clean helps reduce stress and makes it easier to find important emails. Step 8. Use email flags and reminders. If you receive an email that requires action but you cannot reply immediately, use flags or reminders. This way you won't forget to respond later. Step 9. Keep personal and work emails separate. If possible, use separate email accounts for work and personal use. This helps you focus during work hours and relax during personal time. By following these steps, you can manage your email more effectively and work like a CEO. A clean and organized inbox helps you stay focused, saves time, and reduces stress. Start today and feel the difference.